how blood is circulated throughout the body and the role played by the heart. To understand the parts and working of an amazingly intricate vascular network formed by the circulatory system. While the lower two chambers are called heart. Circulatory system is made up of the heart, which is a muscular pumping organ connected to blood vessels. Vessels carrying blood away from the heart are arteries, and those bringing blood back to the heart are veins. While the lower two chambers are called right and left ventricles. Wall of the left ventricle is the thickest. Left atrium and ventricle are connected through the bicuspid or mitral valve. The right atrium and right ventricle are connected by the tricuspid valve. Two semilunar valves, which are in the arteries leaving the heart, are the aortic valve and the pulmonary valve. The circulatory system is closely associated with the respiratory system and other organs like the stomach. To understand the flow of blood in the heart, we observe the right atrium receives deoxygenated blood, which eventually passes through the tricuspid valve and moves into the right ventricle. Blood from the right ventricle flows through the pulmonary artery and reaches the lungs. A simplified view of the lung shows oxygen from alveolus diffuses into the blood. Then, this oxygen-rich blood flows back to the left atrium of the heart. Oxygenated blood from the left atrium moves into the left ventricle via the bicuspid valve. This oxygenated blood from the left ventricle is pumped via the aorta to all parts of the body. This blood eventually reaches the cells of organs like the stomach. Here, oxygen diffuses out, hence blood gets deoxygenated. This deoxygenated blood is then brought back to the right atrium of the heart. Circulation of blood in human beings comprises two circuits: a smaller pulmonary circuit encompassing alveolus and the heart, and a bigger systemic circuit showing the heart and the body cells and organs like the stomach. So this is called double circulation. To summarize, the human circulatory system consists of blood,